how to save a library on an external hard drive for Final Cut Pro. So if I go to my Finder window, you can see that I have my external hard drive called My Passport plugged in, and that's where I want to save my library. So if I go to File, New, and then click Library, the default location is going to be Movies. But if I click this arrow, I can expand to see all the locations on my computer. So I'm going to click My Passport as the location and then title it DirecTech Videos. Save. So now I have a new library, and if I go to my external hard drive, it is saved right there. But now let's say you already have a library saved directly on your computer's hard drive and you want to move it to an external hard drive. Close Final Cut Pro, open the Finder window, locate your library. So for me, it's going to be under my username and in Movies. And so let's say I wanted to move the one called School Stuff. Then I would right-click on my external hard drive, open it in a new tab, and then click and drag on the tab to make it its own window. Then take School Stuff, click and drag, and you see how it has the green plus? That's just going to copy it, but we want to move it. So you hold Command and then let go of the mouse, and it's moving School Stuff, and now you can see it's no longer in Movies and it's over in My Passport. One thing you should know though, if you are working on an external hard drive, your hard drive has to be plugged in order to open that library in Final Cut. So for example, right now, if I open Final Cut Pro, of the libraries I have open, TikTok, Classical Music, DirecTech, and YouTube, this is the only one that is located on my hard drive, and I still have my hard drive plugged in. If I close Final Cut and I eject my hard drive, now when I open Final Cut again, DirecTech doesn't open because it can't, because the location of that library isn't connected to the computer right now. So essentially, once a library is on your external hard drive, you have to have your hard drive plugged in every single time before you open Final Cut Pro so that you can actually work on the events and projects within that library.